How to upgrade to club class on Air Transat. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can upgrade to club class on Air Transat. So how do you do so? The first step is to start by booking your flights through your Air Transat website. So this is the Air Transat website. Then the first step is for you to book your flights. So after booking your flights already and then you want to upgrade to the club class, all you need to do is to, after visiting the Air Transat website, scroll down where you can see a mini page showcasing options like flights, package, car, more, flight status, online check-in, manage my booking. So just click on online check-in. So after clicking on online check-in, you'll be brought to the online check-in page. So on this page, you'll be asked to identify yourself as a passenger by entering in your first name, your last name, your confirmation number that will be sent to you after you've made payment for the flight and then your departure airport as well. Then you click on continue. So by clicking on continue, you'll be taken to your flight page where you'd see all the details about your flight. And so if you are eligible to be upgraded to club class on the flights page, you would see the chance for you to upgrade to club class. This is because not all flights are eligible to upgrade to club class. So if your flight is eligible, you would see the instant upgrade option. So just select it. After selecting that option, follow the prompts and then complete the upgrade process. All right, follow the prompt, complete the upgrade process, and then just like that, your flight will be upgraded to club class. This is majorly how to go about it. Then another thing you can do is that you can bid for an upgrade. All right, you can participate in an auction to bid the amount you are willing to pay for the upgrade. And this option is only available on the Air Transat's website. But the best option is for you to see if you're eligible, try it out, and then from there you're good to go. So this is how to go about it. This is how you can upgrade to club class on Air Transat. Thank you for watching and have a good day.